I'm doing a hair review video. So hair review, I noticed that I get most reviews on hair review videos, so I guess that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I got a video coming for you right now, right here, today, when I post it, and you're gonna watch it. So this hair review video is gonna be, I'm gonna review the hair, like basically unbox it with y'all, because I finally got the box and like the packaging it comes with. I didn't throw away this time. And then we're gonna I'ma tone the hair. Now this is my first time doing blonde hair, so I gotta like a little short. Y'all gonna see, but I'm gonna tone the hair and then I'm gonna install the hair on camera, and then I'm gonna post it, and then y'all gonna watch it, whatever. So just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the video. Alright, so I got my wig from Luxurious Raw 100% Human Hair. This is how the box looks. I fake already opened it, so y'all, boom, this is the bag. So let's open it and see what comes inside the box. So we got the wiggy, we got the wig cap, we got this paper. So it's saying that like if I review it, whatever, I tag them or show them, whatever, I get a free wig or something like that. I'm doing that right now, so hopefully I get my free wig. I'll get back to you when I do, if I do. And then it's this, basically like saying, dear friend, very happy to I don't even care. So let's take the wig out the box or whatever. I mean the plastic. Matter of fact, before I even show the hair, whatever, I'm gonna tell you what I got. Matter of fact, no, I'm not gonna tell you. I'm just put a picture right here or right there, anywhere on the screen, while I'm reviewing this wig, while unboxing it. So I'm taking off the net. Alright. So it's blonde. See? I don't think I look nice with this blonde. Maybe not even play myself. But I'm gonna end up toning it. You gonna see what color, well, what toner I'm using. Hopefully it come out right. It already have the brown roots, so that's good. And it's 1 inch part again, because you know I move too fast. That's my problem, but you know it's okay because I wanted the middle part anyway. It comes with 4 combs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 2 straps in the back to make it a little bit tighter. So I will be gluing this wig down in the front only, because clearly can't glue it down in the back. And I don't know, it's saying it's supposed to be 16 inches, but I don't know if this 16 inches or not. But I feel like I'm gonna end up cutting it a little bit shorter, like probably like right here. I don't know, like I'm gonna figure it out as we go. But anyway, this is how it look out the box, and it's actually better than what I thought, like, because mind you, it came mad fast too. Like I got it and it shipped out the next day, and then it came like 3-4 days after. So like that was a plus, even though I had a little problem with DHL, but that wasn't the the seller fault, it was DHL fault. So other than that, everything was good. They shipped fast, and it looks how it looks in the picture. I'll probably just have to pluck it a little bit or bleach the knots, but I doubt I have to bleach the knots. But I do, because I see a little black up there. But other than that, everything is good and I like it, and we about to just get to tone this. So keep watching to see how it look after I tone it, guys. Yeah, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Get me to 200 by like March or something, because I'm trying to get more subscribers. And comment down videos y'all want me to do and stuff, or like things y'all want me to review, because maybe I'll just review them. So yeah, so yeah, I hate the way gloves smell, bro. Like that shit stink, bro. But anyway, I'm about to tone it here, and I'm using Wella Wella, I think it's called. I know I pronounced the name wrong probably, and I'm gonna put the description, I'm gonna put the name in the description below. But I'm using T35, and basically you pour that bottle in the bowl, in your dyeing bowl, and then you put developer, fill up the bottle twice with the developer basically, and then you start, you know, painting the toner on the hair or whatever. But yeah, I'm toning the hair, and then in my next clip I'm gonna put like a little video in the video. You're gonna see. So just keep watching, guys. Keep watching. listen, I skipped some of them parts of me toning that hair because that video was so damn long. So I shortened it or whatever. But yeah, so I left the toner on for like about 20-30 minutes, I believe. Like I followed directions on the box. Y'all, I really can't speak. I'm so retarded, y'all. But yeah, that's what I did. Oh my god, I don't know why I'm always dancing, but look, I'm dancing. But now this is how the hair looked after I washed the toner out. And the roots was scaring me a little, but then at the end, it turned out to be alright. Right now, I'm oiling my scalp. You know, gotta moisturize the scalp over there. Listen, I gotta do whatever on. You can see it. I put too much on that day. I don't know what was wrong with me, but yeah. At least I'm clean, right? So this part, I'm oiling my scalp, and I'm gonna do the ball cap or whatever the case may be. So stay tuned, keep watching, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm probably done talking. Y'all know I don't know when I'm done talking, but I think I'm done talking for now. dancing again. But nah, so this part, I believe I'm about to start adding the glue. Now, I got crackhead glue. My glue almost done, so I had to use the end of my edge control brush. So I did do 3 layers of this. And then I installed my wig. Yes, bitch. Put my glue on, cool. Let me stop playing. But yeah, keep watching the video. And this is my last time talking, like doing a voiceover. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. I know I keep saying this, but like, I'm gonna need y'all to really do it. Like, I'm trying to get it to 200 by March or like the summertime. So please help me get there, guys. Yes. So I'm finally about to install the wig. I ended up cutting the lace off camera, so yeah, you're gonna see how it look on me after this part of the video. And you're gonna be surprised how short I cut it. But yeah, keep on watching. Why did it look like this? Alright, y'all, so my camera doing some little bum ass shit right now, and I'm gonna hurry this up. So this is the finished look. So let me tell you something. I did not want the bob this short. Like, my camera is doing something that I don't. It's pissing me off, bro. Alright, listen. If I look ugly, I look ugly. But I feel like I look cute. Alright, now, but yeah. So this is the finished look. Now I wanted the bob right here. But my cousin that helped me cut it, she ended up doing it short. And I'm like, no, fuck it. Like, it's about making risks. I mean, taking risks and stuff. I never went this short. I never did this color before. So it's my first time doing this color and going this short. And I love it. Oh, look, yeah, my face clearing up a little bit. yeah, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And this is my first time doing it. Yo, this camera got my face looking crazy. Yo, when I put pictures up of how I look right here or whatever, you're gonna be like, oh my god, your face may not look like that in the video. Like, this video got me like seeing things because no way. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and I give this hair, I didn't rate the hair yet. I rate this hair a 10 out of 10. No, a 9 out of 10. It's like my highlight wig because one, it was easy to cut, easy to wash, easy to tone, and easy to install. And I'm just like, period. Like, you know, see this look, and I just love it, and it don't shed that much. Like, it don't shed. You know, usually when you cut hair, it sheds and it don't shed. Oop, I thought it shedded. See, it sheds a little bit, but just regular. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my pictures. Follow me on Snapchat. I'm on Snapchat, Nisi_B, and Instagram _Nisi_ so you can see my little cute pictures. Anyway, how y'all think I look? Like, comment down below and tell me how I look. Like, tell me if this is a look or not. Like, I feel like I want to do this ash blonde color, like long hair and curl it. Just so to just like I just look like cute. Nah. Alright, but make sure y'all follow me on my social medias. And you like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm buddy. Let me stop talking, man. But now I'm dead ass out here. I try to hurry this part up because I already know this video gonna be long. But anyway. Like, yeah, y'all can't tell me like I ain't biased. Like, don't get me wrong, like, this part probably a little messed up because, you know, I ain't no professional kind of. But, like, you know. How I look, y'all? Alright, let me say this one more time. Like, comment, and subscribe. Get me to 200 by March. And yeah. I'm gonna have another hair review video. So my next hair review video probably gonna be like, you know what? I'm not gonna tell y'all. Just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe so you can see the next one.